In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off dark mode on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and to turn off dark mode on WhatsApp we need just to turn off dark mode on our device in the system settings. So open up settings, then scroll down a bit until you find display and brightness, and that's where we can easily find appearance settings. And right here we can easily switch between light and dark theme. Also, we can turn on or off automatic switch between those themes. That's how you can easily turn off WhatsApp dark mode.